everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. I'm a business owner and before I used to miss out on Facebook leads every single day and there were multiple leads. So now before what I used to do is I promoted my business using Facebook lead ads, and every time a new lead comes in my business, I have hired a person who is entering the data manually. Now while entering the data manually, there are multiple errors like spelling mistakes in emails or names or error while entering the phone number. Now because of these things, I could not connect with my lead on time, and that is why I lose lead every single day. As you are entering the data manually and if you're receiving multiple leads in your business every day, there are high chances that you will miss out on some of the leads while entering the data. So now this was a very loss-making process for me. I used to miss out on leads. There were errors while doing manually. It was very time consuming. I have to hire people in order to make the data entry. So now what should I do? So what I did was I started using automation in my business. I created a system that automatically creates a record of my Facebook leads in a systematic order in my Google Sheets. Now this is a very time-saving process. I don't have to hire an entire team to do that. With that, there is no manual data entry, so there are no chances of any errors or missing out on the data. Now as I have a systematic automated record at one place, this is a secure data that I can share with my sales team and they can convert that lead into my paid customers. In this video, I will discuss with you how you can create this amazing system for your business as well, where now automatically you can create the record of your Facebook leads in Google Sheets without wasting your time. Okay, so this is the amazing system that I have created using an amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, there are two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and you will get 100 free tasks every single month. Now using that, you can first experience and test Pabbly Connect and then you can purchase our plan. It will be easy for you to first test out how amazing Pabbly Connect works, and then you can buy our yearly or lifetime deals with Pabbly. Now I have one amazing thing just for you. As you are watching my video till this part, I have given you a secret code. Now that code will give you instant discounts on the purchase of these amazing plans. You can see the code on the left side of my screen right here, and I've added that same code in the description section, with the help of which you will get the instant discounts on the yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. So not only this system of automation, you can create multiple other automations and scale your business to the next level. By purchasing these plans, you will get unlimited tasks. So go use the coupon code right away, buy our plan and automate your workflows. Okay, then sign in and then you have to create this workflow that I have created. Okay, with the help of this workflow, you will automate the system. Let me show you how this automation is going to work. I will generate a Facebook lead using Meta's lead ads testing tool and check whether automatically that record is created in my Google Sheets or not. Okay, for this email address of my lead, I will write it as test@pabblytudes.com. Okay, for the first name, I'll write over here as test. For the last name, I'll write over here as lead. For the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy phone number. And for the city, I'll write over here as Bhopal. Okay, click on this continue button and on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, you will see right here, it says thanks, you're all set. And if I'm going to open my Google Sheets, you will see yes, the record of the lead's details is been added. Name is test lead, email is test@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number and the city as Bhopal. Okay, so this is how this automation has worked for me. Now not only this one test lead, in real time, if you will receive multiple leads through Facebook lead ads, in the similar manner, you will see in front of your eyes the record of the leads is going to be created inside your spreadsheet like this. Okay, the connection is super easy. If you want to learn the entire setup step by step, you can check out the link of this video of connecting Facebook leads to Google Sheets added in the description section below, with the help of which you can create this entire connection right away. Okay, if you have questions questions or doubts related to this connection or any other questions, you can ask us all the questions and queries in the comment section below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.